Yeah, not only is Jefferson County back in the red, but when this happens, it is JCPS's policy that universal mask mandates essentially take immediate effect. Now, health officials and parents alike are weighing in on where we go from here. Kentucky health officials say the Commonwealth's positivity rate is nearing 18%, with hospitalizations continuing to rise.
Our hospital has not seen zero COVID on any days. We got down to a low of 15. We're back up into the 30s.
Dr. Chuck Anderson is the chief medical officer with Baptist Health Louisville. He says there is uncertainty ahead, with essentially half of the Commonwealth back in the red and BA5 now dominating.
Is this for a month? Is this for 2 months? Or is this for 3 months? I think that's anybody's guess right now.
UofL Health officials tell us across their system, 56 COVID patients are hospitalized, 8 of them in the ICU. Due to the higher levels of contagion, JCPS is also switching back to a universal mask mandate for as long as Jefferson County sits in the red.
Now it's coming back again. That's really disturbing.
Mahogany Bullyjack spends her extra time as a vendor at Iroquois Park for families and park goers. However, she also has kids in the JCPS system and says it's been hard for her kids to feel any sense of normalcy.
My kids really was okay with it, wearing the mask and just taking it off to eat or whatever. That's not the thing. Just being petrified of when you get out of school, my kids, how they gonna adapt to that again?
With classes starting back in just a few weeks, she tells me JCPS's decision to bring back the mask starting Monday doesn't bother her.
I think that it's better safe than sorry. With that many kids being in one room together, I think that JCPS is doing the right thing.
Dr. Anderson says it may be an annoyance for some, but that it does offer protection.
You know, people hate it, but I think masking is going to be a great protection.
Noting vaccinations and distancing are still some of the best practices during high community spread. Part of that JCPS plan is checking in at the end of each week to see where contagion sits for the community. Should it fall back into the green or yellow zones, then masking will be relaxed. In the newsroom, Ford Sanders for the WHS 11 Night Team on your side.